Welcome to vSkills YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn about the top interview questions for artificial intelligence. So, let's get started. Question number 1. What is an artificial intelligence neural network? The answer is: artificial intelligence neural networks can model mathematically the way the biological brain operates, supporting the machine to think and determine the same way the humans do, making them proficient in acknowledging things like objects, speech, and animals like we do. Question number 2. Is artificial intelligence supervised or unsupervised? The answer is: within artificial intelligence and machine learning, there are two fundamental approaches, unsupervised learning and supervised learning. The central difference is one uses labeled data to assist predict outcomes, while the other does not. Question number 3. Can Java be used for AI? The answer is: Java is the extensively utilized programming language in society and is one of the most desirable choices of AI programming. Because of its virtual machine technology, it's simple to execute on various platforms. That indicates once it's written and edited on one platform, you don't have to organize it again. Question number 4. What do you understand by the hyperparameter? The answer is: in machine learning, a hyperparameter is a parameter that defines and handles the complete training method. The instances of these parameters are hidden layers, activation functions, learning rate and hidden units. Question number 5. What are the various areas where AI can be used? The answer is: artificial intelligence can be employed in various areas like speech recognition, computing, humanoid robot, bioinformatics, computer software, space and aeronautics. Question number 6. Why do we require artificial intelligence? The answer is: the purpose of artificial intelligence is to make intelligent devices that can mimic human behavior. We require artificial intelligence for today's time to resolve problems, make our lives more smooth by automating routine work, saving manpower, and performing other tasks. Question number 7. What is the importance of the Dijkstra algorithm? The answer is: Dijkstra's algorithm is generally used in the routing protocols needed by the routers to refresh their forwarding table. The algorithm gives the slightest cost path from the root router to other routers in the network. Question number 8. What are the tools of artificial intelligence? The answer is: some of the artificial intelligence tools are Keras, scikit-learn, Theno, Caffe, PyTorch, AutoML, and Google ML Kit. Question number 9. Which is better, Python or Java for machine learning? The answer is: Python is more suitable for machine learning, artificial intelligence and data science. AI developers prefer Python over Java because of its ease of use, accessibility and simplicity. Java has a better performance than Python, but Python requires less code and can compile even when there are bugs in your code. Question number 10. How is machine learning associated with artificial intelligence? The answer is: machine learning is a subfield, or we can say a subset of artificial intelligence. It is a path to achieving artificial intelligence. As both are the two different concepts and the relationships among both can be understood, as artificial intelligence uses different machine learning algorithms and concepts to solve the complex problems. Question number 11. What is a rule-based system in artificial intelligence? The answer is: a rule-based expert system is the most simplistic form of artificial intelligence and practices directed knowledge-based rules to resolve a problem. The purpose of the expert practice is to take instruction from a human authority and convert this into a quantity of hard-coded rules to implement to the input data. Question number 12. What is the Hidden Markov model? The answer is: the Hidden Markov model is an analytical model applied for describing the probability relationships over a chain of pronouncements. In the Hidden Markov model, hidden represents a property that it believes that the state of a method generated at a special time is hidden from the observer, and Markov explains that it expects that the process completes the Markov property. The Hidden Markov models are used for temporal data. Question number 13. What are the kinds of regression? The answer is: the different kinds of regression are linear regression, ridge regression, lasso regression, polynomial regression, and logistic regression. Question number 14. What is an expert system? The answer is: an expert system is a computer system that mimics the decision-making ability of a human. It is a computer program that uses artificial intelligence technologies to simulate the judgment and behavior of a human or an organization that has expert knowledge and experience in a particular field. Question number 15. What is the difference between strong artificial intelligence and weak artificial intelligence? The answer is: strong artificial intelligence can successfully imitate human intelligence and is at the center of advanced robotics, while weak artificial intelligence can only divine particular characteristics that match human intelligence. Alexa and Siri are good examples of weak artificial intelligence. Question number 16. How do we run Prolog on Windows? The answer is: double-click the Prolog program icon. Use the File menu of the resulting window to create a new file and give it a name, with the extension .pl, making sure you save it at the root level of your M drive. Enter the text of your file in the File window. Question number 17. What is Weka used for? The answer is: Weka is a combination of machine learning algorithms for information mining tasks. The algorithms can either be implemented directly to a dataset or called from your own Java code. Weka includes devices for data preprocessing, regression, association rules, classification, clustering, and visualization. Question number 18. What are filtering attributes? The answer is: filtering attributes are a listing of entity attributes that, when mutated, cause the plugin to execute. These attributes can be arranged when registering the plugin utilizing the plugin registration tool. If no attributes are set, then the plugin will execute every time an update message occurs. Question number 19. What is a Turing test? The answer is: the Turing test, called after Alan Turing, is a process of testing a machine's human-level intelligence. For instance, in a human versus machine situation, a judge will be tasked with distinguishing which terminal was maintained by a human and which was occupied by a computer based on individual performance. Question number 20. What is Dijkstra's shortest path algorithm? The answer is: Dijkstra's algorithm is also called as shortest path algorithm. It is an algorithm utilized to determine the shortest path among nodes of the graph. The algorithm builds the tree of the shortest paths from the opening source vertex from all other points in the graph. Question number 21. What is the rule-based approach? The answer is: a rules-based approach to command prescribe in particular or gives a set of rules, how to work, whereas a principle-based approach to regulation results and principles are established and the controls, procedures, measures, on how to achieve that result is left for each organization to determine. Question number 22. How is machine learning and artificial intelligence related? The answer is: artificial intelligence is a technique that enables machines to mimic human behavior. On the other hand, machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence. It is the science of getting computers to act by feeding them data and letting them learn a few tricks on their own, without being explicitly programmed to do so. Hence, we can say machine learning is a technique used to implement artificial intelligence. Question number 23. What is the fuzzy logic approach? The answer is: fuzzy logic is an approach to variable processing that allows for multiple possible truth values to be processed through the same variable. Fuzzy logic attempts to solve problems with an open, imprecise spectrum of data and heuristics that makes it possible to obtain an array of accurate conclusions. Question number 24. What is the best way to go for the game-playing problem? The answer is: to go for game-playing problem, the heuristic approach is the best way, as it will use the technique based on intelligent guesswork. For better clarity, let's take an example: chess between humans and computers, as it will use brute force computation, looking at hundreds of thousands of positions. Question number 25. In propositional logic, how logical inference can be solved? The answer is: in propositional logic, the logical inference algorithm can be solved by using logical equivalence, validity, and satisfying ability. Question number 26. What are frames and scripts in artificial intelligence? The answer is: frames are a variant of semantic networks, which is one of the popular ways of representing non-procedural knowledge in an expert system. By representing conventionalized situations to divide knowledge into substructure, a frame, which is an artificial data structure, is used. Scripts are similar to frames, except the values that fill the slots must be ordered. To organize a knowledge base in terms of the situation that the system should understand, scripts are used in natural language understanding systems. Question number 27. What can be the consequence between a node and its predecessors while creating a Bayesian network? The answer is: while creating Bayesian network, the consequence between a node and its predecessors is that a node can be conditionally independent of its predecessors. Question number 28. How to build an expert system in artificial intelligence? The answer is: steps to building an expert system in artificial intelligence are: first, determine or decipher the characteristics of the problem. Second, knowledge engineers and domain experts collaborate to define or decipher the issue. Third, the knowledge engineer, after defining the problem, translates it into understandable computer language knowledge. The knowledge engineer designs the inference engine that uses the knowledge when called to assist. Fourth, the knowledge expert also integrates the use of unknown knowledge in the reasoning process with an explanation. Question number 29. What is FOPL in artificial intelligence? The answer is: the first-order predicate logic is the backbone of artificial intelligence, as well as a method of formal representation of natural language text. This is followed by the unification of predicate expressions using instantiations and substitutions, compositions of substitutions, unification algorithm and its analysis. Question number 30. What is inductive logic programming in artificial intelligence? The answer is: inductive logic programming is a subterritory of artificial intelligence which deals with the induction of hypothesized predicate definitions from examples and background knowledge. Logic programs are treated as a single representation, for example, background knowledge, and hypotheses. For more such videos, subscribe to our channel.